Okay, so what we've got right here is leftover from a well drilling truck that decided to park in front of our house yesterday. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the BioDry asphalt cleaner to see what we can do. This is a day-old stain here, and we're going to go ahead and apply some and see how good we can do. So as you can see, I'm going to put a little bit on. What we're going to do is we're going to brush this one in. So that right there already looks far better. But we're not looking for just better, we're looking to actually remove the stains best we can here. So you see that right there. It's already looking really good. So what we're going to do next is we're going to use a wire brush. We're going to scrub this a little. Of course, what you can see here is the spots from where we're scrubbing, they're already starting to soak through in some of these areas. Okay, so now we're back to being able to see some of the spots here again. You can tell it's a little bit lighter already on these spots. And what we're going to do is take some of this remaining powder and put back over these spots again. If your BioDry looks dirty, then definitely go ahead and remove it. If it looks clean, you can still use it. What you're wanting to do is get a nice look onto it and then have a little extra powder left on top here. And so what that'll do is if any more soaks through the powder, then the additional on top will help get some more of that. Day 2 after the spill, 1 day after the first application, you can see that it has started to soak through in our locations. They're lighter already. So what we're going to do to try and speed this up is we're going to wire brush again with some product and then add some more product on there to see if we can speed this up. If we did not, we would be looking at around a month, 3 weeks to a month to have this color come out of our asphalt. So we're going to see if we can speed this up. Here we are after using a little bit more wire brush, looking better. What we're trying to do now is just pack in as much of the product as we can into the deeper stains. We're trying to get this powder is extremely thin, the BioDry, so we're looking to try to get it worked in as best we can where some of those spots are at. Here we are 5 days later. We're going to put on our third application. You can tell right now how good it's already looking. We scroll back to the ones here that were not treated. You can see a huge difference here. We've put 2 treatments on it. We're going to go ahead and put a third one on today to just kind of help. So, you know, between the product and wire brush, you're going to see some great results out of this product. So here we go again with just a little bit more. just trying to soak those up. Some of those outer ones are already good and gone. So what we're trying to do now is just work on just the remaining spots here. As you can see where those were. And you can go ahead and brush this in if you want with a wire brush. So if your wire brushing is going to always help no matter what. It's going to give it a good, nice color again. Continue to probably soak through some of this, and so you'll want to leave a little bit more on top. Here we are 1 week later, 6 days after starting the application of BioDry on the spill left by the well drilling truck. We did a total of 3 different applications, and I would have to say it looks pretty good at this point. So here's where we did not treat and where we did treat. So you can see the difference there from 1 week with 3 applications and some additional scrubbing there. So trying to speed it up, we were able to successfully do that.